Hello guys, welcome to the channel, and today we have this function here, this equation, and we're going to find the value of x using the Lambert function. Okay, if you think really like for a while here, you're gonna just guess the answer here, but let's solve. Okay, well, first of all, let's say that the Lambert function is when we have I to the a, and then this is gonna be a. Okay, so we have to work in this equation here in order to get something like this. Okay, so that this is gonna be a is gonna be a part of the solution. Okay, so let's say that first of all, I'm gonna send this one here to the other side of the equation. So we're gonna have then 23 to the power of 23x. This is going to be equals to 2024 minus 2023x. Okay, so given this, I'm going to divide both sides of the equation by this one here. Okay, so I'm going to divide here by 2023 to the power of 2023x, and here as well to the dividing by 2023 to the power of 2023x. So this is going to be 1, obviously, and here we're going to have 2024 minus 2023x, and then this is going to be equals, so times 2023. Now this is in the denominator, so when it comes to the numerator, we're going to change the sign of the power, so it's going to be minus 2023x. Okay, so we are working in order to get something like this. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this equation, just changing the terms from side to side, and then this is going to be this 2023 to the x. Sorry, I made a mistake here. This is times 2023 to the power 2023x. Okay, negative 2023x, and then this is equal 1. So first of all, this part here has to be the same as this one here. So I'm going to multiply. I want to have 2024 here in the power, so because this is already negative 2023, right? So I'm going to multiply both sides of the equation by 20 2023 to the power of 2024. Okay, so now I'm gonna have here 2024 minus 2023x times 2023. Now look that I'm gonna have this one times this one. Okay, this one times this one, same basis, different powers, so we keep the base and we add the power, so we're gonna have 2024 minus 2023x, and then this is going to be equals 2023 to the power of 2024. Okay, so this is what we got then. Now from here, what I'm going to say is that you see, when we have here when we have something, for instance, x, and we say that x is the same thing as writing e to the power of ln of x. This is the same thing as x. Okay, so here we're gonna have this one 2024 minus 2023x, right? Times, I'm gonna say this is e to the ln of 2023 to the power of 2024 minus 2023x. Okay, and then this is going to be equals to, let me work this one here. This is the same thing as 2023 times 20, okay, times 2023 times 2023 to the power of 2023. This is what I was doing, guys. We have 2023, okay, here. Sorry, I think made a mistake. Sorry. this one doesn't exist. We have just 2023 times 2023 to the power of 2023, right? So fine. From here now, let's look at this one here. We're gonna have then 2024 minus 2023 x, and then this will multiply, this is a ln, this power comes down, so we're going to have e to the power of 2024 minus 2023x, which multiplies ln of 2023. Okay, so this is going to be then equals to this one here. We're going to have 2023, the same thing as we have already, 2023 to the power of 2023. Just remember that this one here is the same thing as this one here. So now let's see that these powers are not equal, so I have to multiply by ln of 2023, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply both sides by ln of 2023. So here we're going to have then 2024 minus 2023x, okay, times ln of 2023, okay, times I to the power of 2024 minus 2023x, and this multiplying ln of 2023. Okay, so now this is going to be equals to well, ln of 2023 times 2023 times this one here. Now I'm going to say that this is I to the power of ln of 2023 to the power of 2023. It's lots of 2023, right? So now guys, you can see now that this one here, okay, this one here is the same thing as this one here. Now we can apply the Lambert function. But before we apply the Lambert function, let's work on the other side too. So for them to be the same, and apply it once and for all. Okay, I'm just working on it. ln of 2023, I to the 2024 minus 2023x, which multiplies ln of 2023. And then this is going to be equals to 2023 ln of 2023, and this is going to be I to the 2023 ln of 2023. Okay, so given this, guys, we can apply the Lambert function in both sides, right? This is then Lambert function here, and then let's say we're gonna get the Lambert function in this side too. Okay, so now this one here, we're only gonna get what? Now we can apply here. This is a equals a, so we're gonna have this one here, this is, which is 2024 minus 2023x, right, which multiplies ln of 2023, and then this is gonna be equal what? This one here is equal to this, so we have this one here, which is 2023 ln of 2023. So now guys, as you can see here, what do we have here? This one goes with this one, and we're gonna have then 2024 minus 2023 equals to 2023. Okay, so well, this one goes that side, or this one comes to this side, so we're gonna have 2023, which is gonna be 2023x equals 1. So then x is going to be equals to 1 over 2023. Okay, so fine, x is equal to 1 over 2023. Now let's check our solution here, right? So we have in our equation 2023 to the power of 2023x plus 2023x equals 2024, right? If x is 1 over 2023, so we're going to have 2023 to the power of 2023 times 1 over 2023 plus 2023 times 1 over 2023. This is 2024. Okay, so this one goes with this one. We get only 2023 plus this one goes with this one. We have 1 equals 20 24. So actually we have 20, 24 equals 20, 24. So our solution 1 over 3 is correct. So now think in this case here. Now let's think that we said we have in our equation is, let me just write it quickly, 2023x equals 2024. Just if I was not using, if I was not going to use the Lambert function here, I would just say this. Well, 2023 to the power of 2023x plus, this is 2023x. 2024 is 2023 plus 1, right? So I'm going to write this one here, 2023 to the power of 2023x. I'm going to say this is, by comparison, right? I'm going to say this is 2023. Obviously, this one here is greater than this one, right? And then I'm going to have the other part, which is 2023x, okay? And this is going to be equals just to 1, okay? So I have power 1 here. So this one goes with this. I have 2023x equals 1. You see, x here is going to be 1 over 2023. And x here is going to be, okay, 2023. So if the same, I was comparing these terms and I get the same answer, it means that the answer is correct. And now the question is, tell me in the comment, would you follow this way just in this problem, like solving this problem particularly, or you would go by the Lambert function and follow these steps to the end and then get this answer here? My friend, thank you very much for being in this channel. Please support me by subscribing. Thank you very much, and see you next video, guys. Bye bye. Remember, we checked the solution and it's correct.